Replacement of hinges. Firstly, we turn off the power and the angle valve. After switching off, hold this place with your hand. Use a little force to lift it up. Then you can lift it out. Gently lift up. There's a connection pipe here. Let's hold it here. We can pull it out by pushing it against here. There are wires underneath. Pull them out one by one. Screw it out like this. Then you can pull it out. This one too. And this one too. Pinch this one. Then you can take it out. Then the lid can be taken out. There are 3 screws. Let's loosen them. After loosening it, we gently put it down. There's a screw here. Let's loosen it. Loosen it and pull it out. There's a pipe here. See if it's stuck. If it is, pull the tube. Then you can also pull it apart. After pulling it apart, we will unplug the wires on it one by one. Take a picture of the wires before pulling them out, so that you can plug them back in later. Pinch the port and pull it out. It's ready to be separated. Firstly, we take off the trim tab. Remove the top screw. After removing it, we pull the cover upwards. Then we can take it out. After taking it out, we turn the hinge down a little bit. And then turn it upside down. There are a few screws on the hinge. Let's unscrew them. This side too. The hinge can be taken out. This way too. There's a screw in the hinge here. Let's take this screw out. After we remove it, we can take it out. There's a ring here. We use a tool to push it out. After we unscrew it, the hinge can be taken out. Take it out and put in a new one. And then put this one in. If you have any lubricant at home, you can put some on. Let's put this piece back. Then put the screws back in. Try it. Not too tight. It should be movable. Put it back in place again. Put the screws back in. There are 3 screws in here. Take them off. After removing them, we can pull this out. Once the damping is out, we'll use a tool. Or we can knock it out. We'll knock it out with the help of a tool. And then we'll take a new damper. Put the hinge in the same way. When we take this out, we can also take out the foot chain like we did earlier. And put it back in like this. Put it back in this direction. Once it's in place, we'll take the 3 screws. Let's screw them back in one by one. After the 3 screws are screwed in, we'll put it through this hole. Then we put this screw back in. After the 4 screws are installed, we turn it over. And put the cover back on. Screw the 4 screws back in. Stick the decorative piece back on and you're done.